Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Leche Flan with gelatin and fudge bar. First, let's create that beautiful caramel base. Gently melt about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar in a pan over medium heat until it turns a rich, golden brown. Carefully pour this hot caramel into your flan mold, tilting it to coat the bottom evenly. Set this aside to cool and harden while we prepare the flan mixture. Remember to work quickly with the hot caramel. Next, let's prepare the creamy flan mixture. In a bowl, whisk together about 10 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 can of evaporated milk until well combined. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to add a lovely aroma and taste. Gently heat this mixture over low heat, ensuring it doesn't boil. Once warm, squeeze excess water from the softened gelatin sheets and stir them into the warm milk mixture until fully dissolved. This ensures a smooth texture. Now for the fun part, assembling your flan. Carefully arrange a layer of fudge bars at the bottom of your caramel-lined mold. These will add a delightful chocolatey surprise. Slowly pour the prepared flan mixture over the fudge bars, making sure they are fully submerged. Cover the mold tightly with plastic wrap or foil. Refrigerate your Leche Flan for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to set completely and achieve that perfect jiggly consistency. Once your Leche Flan is perfectly set, it's time to serve. Run a thin knife around the edges of the mold to gently loosen the flan. Place your serving plate over the mold and with a quick, confident flip, invert the flan onto the plate. The caramel will cascade down, creating a beautiful glaze. Slice and serve this delightful dessert. It's a wonderful treat for any occasion. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.